Hello students, in the previous lecture of functions, we have already studied about the definition of a circle and the equation of circle in various forms like standard form and the general form. We basically call it as the standard equation and the general equation. So in this lecture video, we are going to study the result angle in a semicircle is a right angle, and we will also discuss the diametric form of a circle. So let's get started with angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Let me prove this result first. So I am now going to prove the result angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So let's draw a circle first and draw the diameter of the circle AB. Let the center of circle be C. So in order to prove that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, basically we are supposed to prove that this diameter AB subtends an angle of 90 degrees at every point on the circle. So if I choose a point P on the circle, we need to prove that the angle subtended by AB at this point, that is angle APB, is 90 degrees. And not only here, at any other point also it is going to subtend 90. Like even if I choose some other point Q here, still AB will subtend 90 degrees here. And not only in the upper part of the circle, which is called semicircle, it also subtends the same thing even in the lower part of the circle. Even if I choose a point R here, this angle is going to be 90 degrees. So at any point on the circle, the diameter subtends an angle of 90 degrees, which is same as saying that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So let me prove this result now. So let us consider the point C as the origin, and we choose x-axis along the diameter. So let this be the diameter. And in case we assume that the circle has a radius r, the CA is r and CB is r. So the point which is to the right side of C, which is the origin, has to be positive. So this point will have the coordinates r0, and the point which is to the left side of C will have the negative coordinates, say minus r comma 0. So let these be the coordinates of AB now, and we assume that the point Q has some coordinates x1 comma y1. Let this have some coordinates x1 comma y1. Now in order to prove that angle AQB is 90 degrees, we need to show that AQ is perpendicular to BQ. And when you say that two lines are basically perpendicular, two lines are perpendicular whenever the product of their slopes is minus 1. That means I need to find out the slope of AQ and slope of BQ and prove that their product is minus 1. So let me write down the slope of AQ. So I will write here the slope of AQ and I call it as some m1. So how do we define the slope? Basically, whenever the coordinates of 2 points are given, the slope is basically defined as difference in their y coordinates divided by difference in their x coordinates. So therefore, the difference in the y coordinates is y1 minus 0, and the difference in their x coordinates is nothing but x1 minus r. So this is y1 minus 0 by x1 minus r, or you can just write it as y1 by x1 minus r. This is our m1. So let's write down the slope of BQ also. So when you write the slope of BQ, we can say this is m2. And how do we write the slope of these 2 points? Difference in their y coordinates, so y1 minus 0 again, divided by difference in their x coordinates. So what is the difference in their x coordinates? x1 minus of minus r, which is going to be x1 plus r. Now once you get this value of m1 and m2, let's see how to prove that m1 and m2 is minus 1. Let me multiply them. So if you multiply both the results, m1 and m2 will be equal to, the product of their numerators is y1 into y1, which is y1 square, and the product of the denominators is x1 minus r into x1 plus r. So this denominators, when you multiply, the product is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So we therefore write x1 square minus r square. Now in order to prove this is minus 1, we need one more result. And how do we get that result? Basically you can see that the point x1 comma y1 lies on the circle. So therefore it should satisfy the circle equation. So what is the circle equation if the center is origin and radius is r? Already we have learned this by discussing the standard equation. So you can say that the equation of such a circle is x square plus y square equal to r square, because the center is origin, radius is r. And since x1 by 1 lies on this, so you can say q x1 by 1 lies on this circle. So if it lies on this circle, this point is satisfying the circle equation. So what do we get? x1 square plus y1 square equal to r square. So once you get this result from here, you can clearly see that the value of x1 square minus r square can be written as minus y1 square. So now using this condition here, you can say denominator can be replaced with minus y1 square. Therefore we get the result m1 m2 equal to y1 square divided by minus y1 square, which is minus 1. So we now prove that if the slope of this AQ is m1, slope of this BQ is m2, the product of these slopes is minus 1, which means that these lines are perpendicular. Hence you can say that angle AQB is 90 degrees. So the same way you can prove it for any other point P or R also. So we can now conclude that angle in a semicircle is therefore a right angle.